Look at this, native bluebells, loads of them, tiny little bluebells. Look at that, proper ones, proper. Yeah, tiny little ones. And little, again, buttercups. Look at these bluebells. I thought I'd miss them this year. I normally do. Tiny little things. Wow. I just about managed to straighten out my litter picker again. Still needs a bit of stamping and bending back on itself, but yeah, hard to pick out, but lots of little bluebells. At least I didn't miss them this year. Very nice, very nice. While I'm passing through, there's 2 or 3 portals on ingress, so I've got 3 unique captures. There's some nice old oak trees here, and there's a cow parsley. Behind me, that was a Cedrus atlantica glauca, blue cedar. But again, even in here, there's a few bluebells mixed in. I've never actually walked in this far, but it's actually quite nice here. Very surprised. There's that over there, I need to capture that one. On Ingers, but look at this, there's actually a lot of trees here, big trees. Some of them are at least 300 years old. Unbelievable. I've never actually been this far. Look at these plates on the wall. Crazy. Try and hold it a bit different. So this is obviously some kind of craft potter's woodwork room. Look at that in there. That's a workshop. This is crazy. Modelled out of clay. Look at this stuff. The things you discover by accident, honestly. Ingress is good for that. You find some crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. And this building's one of them. Oh my God, hideous. Medieval fiddling cats, by the look of it, in tiles. More plates. Look, Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Fish. This is just crazy. Look at all these little gargoyle-y things. Amazing. This is bonkers. Amazing, truly amazing. Mermaids and lizards. There's some skill in some of these, I tell you. There's even a, looks like an aircraft carrier, but it would have had plants in it. It's just crazy. I've never seen nothing like it. Show of hands. Just shows I've never been round here before. Oh yeah, and they've got those azaleas, the yellow azaleas, and they smell. You don't often find the yellow azaleas that are scented. I do like them. But there's actually some good trees here. That is just crazy, that building. Completely crazy. What on earth is that? It's bonkers, completely bonkers. The rhododendrons are out, purple. But I think I'll make my way through this bit of woodland quick before I clog up again. I did see a squirrel earlier. Look at this. Amazing. More bluebells, look. Oh my god. Crazy, crazy amounts of bluebells. Little ones. Amazing, beautiful.